Morning, Pangasinan. So we're in 100 Islands. We got here around 10 o'clock and we just basically like slept. Just because we're gonna do an island hopping today. My face is so... What's up, bloated? I've been eating salty food, that's why. So, we got up, set our alarm at 5:30 because we wanted to see the sunrise. Staying in that room.
Fish and squid.
Ano ang fish?
Shrimp, crab, squid, fish.
We were supposed to stay here but there's no AC.
1 kilo crab or yung gano'n.
Bakla, kasi lutuin niya kung anong gusto niya.
Gano'n.
Gusto ko dun, kinatan eh. Kaya ba nila yun? Hi, Mimi!
Hindi namin aso. Mga aso namin nakatali sila.
Okay.
Hi, Mimi!
Malapit lang dito.
Lagi siya
ganyan siya. Oo, dito, parang dito na
Ang
siya
bait niya. She's so friendly. He's another dog. Look at the sunrise, people. So gorgeous. 2 island hopping. So that's the place we're staying at. Beautiful. Baby, say hi. Katrina, mag-hi ka. Yeah. Lahat merong camera.
Totoo.
Halika na.
Ako dalawa pa.
Oh, 2 zip line. Ay, ang ganda. Dapat pala wala muna tayo nito, babe. Because we look crazy, we all have this gear. Huh? Box, ang ganda dito. Wave, baby. Oh.
Like, I'm not stopping.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna slam into the thing.
Yeah, me too. No, I even told the guy, if I fall, can you jump off the water because I can't swim.
My God, the water's so nice.
You can't find bathroom. The nature is your bathroom. Say it.
Hey guys.
I'm peeing right now.
I think we passed through a cave.
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's beautiful, huh? Oh, is that the exit? Look at this guy is doing. Instead of going to the right path, he said he's gonna go around the island. Okay, I will see you on the other side. How was it, babe? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was good.
Hey, babe.
Am I being live right now?
Hi, guys! We don't want to go back to New York anymore. So we are just gonna have Puka ship back to the Philippines. And then we are gonna stay in this beautiful place. Look at that! It's so beautiful. Oh my god. I'm trying to work on my balance right now. Ooh. It's beautiful. Do you want to dip in the water? A little bit?
No, we're gonna go dive.
Ano to? We're in Quezon Island here in 100 Islands. Again, it is extremely beautiful. We just did our snorkeling, and obviously as usual I have to have a life vest because I can't swim, and also Kat. And Jeff had a good, not just a good, but a great cardio because he needed to drag both of us so we could go to like a nicer spot so we could see like corals. There are corals, and then there are fishes, but it's more about like
Giant clams.
yeah, giant clams. Beautiful. Yes.
Maybe come back so I can get a shot of it walking together. Yeah.
Guys, it's all worth it. Oh my god. This is so
Watch your head.
oh my god. This is so underrated. And the funniest thing is this is my dad's hometown, and every single year we come here probably twice or 3 times a year to celebrate either Christmas or New Year. But I've never been in this part of the province. We're cooking our food here, and we're just by the island. And this is our view while eating our lunch. Our food, guys. And what's this? Could you open it? Oh, it's just yeah, and some tiny little lemons, soy sauce, and yeah. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Eat, guys. Let's eat. Oh, this is my food. A lot of rice. Oh my god. And then we have some sauce, some little lemons, and then chili and soy sauce. I am starving. I'm gonna eat right now.
Ano tayo?
So what we did when we ate, actually, in that island, if you guys are in the group or you wanted like a nicer spot to eat, you could rent cottages like there. I think it's in between from 200 to 1,000 pesos depending on how huge the, what do you call that, the cabana or the cottage is that you're gonna rent. But the boatman told us that we really don't have to if we don't want to pay. So there's a spot there that is free. So God,
Where do you dump them?
I hope you guys can see what's in there. So we are by this cave right here, and if you guys can see, it's actually goes all the way down. And if you wanted to jump, there are stairways, but the rule is no vest, no diving. So I'm pretty covered just because I do have my own vests, which is right here. If you guys can see, I have my own vest. So Jeff and my friend Kat, they are grabbing the other vest downstairs. This is the cave, and it's called Imelda Cave. And as you guys see, there are like bats everywhere. And this is the stairs going up. And that's my friend, and it actually goes all the way there. It's so gorgeous. And ikaw muna, anak ko muna.
I go first in case you get.
Okay. Go. How is it?
Good. It's a little bit shallow actually, but
It's shallow?
You catch us, okay?
what?
You catch us.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm beginning recording. Jump out.
Jump out.
Dalawa tayo? Can we jump together?
Di ma'am, isa lang po.
Salam.
Nakakabang pala kung nandito ka na, kung nasa moment na.
Ma'am!
Tinuruan ko si Kuya eh.
May back up, bakla.
Ganda na yun, okay na yun.
Oo. Ay, naku. Staying in this room, it has a hammock, and then those are her stuff. Excuse us. We're actually checking out now. That's my friend Kat, and it's by the beach. We were actually supposed to stay in that one, the number 6 cottage, but it doesn't have AC. And so yeah, we asked them to be transferred in this one because it has an AC. So Jeff and I both slept here, and then Kat was there, and we paid 2,900 pesos. So it's not too bad because considering it's like 3 of us, and it has an AC, and also the electricity here in the Philippines is actually very expensive. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I think we can do better, but you know. We stopped by the road, and we are gonna eat here because we just checked out from our hotel in Pangasinan, and then we actually feel very hungry.
I can get a poster for me to do that.
What?
I have to, if I want to eat these bananas and the...
No, so Kat will eat the pork, and then we'll both share the eggplant, and then this one.
And then the bangus on.
Yeah, yung bangus.
Oh,
Alright, let's order. Please. It's pretty nice. And we are gonna stay here. Watch out! Oh, they have a nice view. Ate, anong beach to?
Lingayen Golf.
Lingayen Golf. Yan. Lingayen Golf. It's pretty nice. And that's the highway right there.
Let's all face us.
Oo nga.
How about you and Jem sit here and I'll...
Here's our food, guys. And here's our view. So if you guys stop here, make sure to check out this place. The view is awesome.
Leche ka. O basta ang itinerary, ganun. Hot air balloon first. Jeff,
Okay.
hot air balloon first. And then maybe we'll eat first. And then the pokers.
Poke.
Okay? It's 4:30, Jeff. It's still not sunset. We'll wait until like 5:30.
Hopefully we're in someplace good.
See?
Well, it's part of the...
Nice photo.
No pulling over.
Picture, no? The cornfield is so nice.
Yeah. Wait lang, baby. I'm gonna take more picture.
The sun.
Hey, ang daming animals. Para lang
Cute.
tayong ano. Shaky talaga.
Wow.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Look at that sunset.
That was beautiful.
All corn.
Yeah. Corn.